Hi there, this is Maths with Angela, doing a bit more on bearings. So I'm going to give you a few hints, but I'm not going to do this accurately. You will have to do it accurately on your own copy of this. So I'm going to talk you through the process basically. So we've got three places, A, B, and C, which are on the shoreline of this lake. Okay then, so they give us a scale. So 1 centimetre on this diagram is 2 kilometres. Okay. So when you're using your ruler, you're going to measure it in centimetres and then convert it into kilometres by doubling it. Okay, that's what that means to do. So first of all, it says part A, find the bearing of B from A. So what you're going to do with a ruler is you're going to join up B and A, okay, with a straight line unlike mine. Okay, so there's a reason there's a north line here at A, because they want us to do the bearing of B from A. So the from bit means you start from A and you're going to measure round from north the bearing there, okay? So the bearing from of A from B from A is the angle from the north line round to the straight line that connects A and B. Okay, I can continue. So you can work that out and find the answer. So it says part B, a ferry travels in a straight line from A to B, like I've drawn here, or better than I have there. It then travels in a straight line from B to C. Okay, so the next part of the journey, if I draw it in, is B to C. Okay then. A speedboat, so this is another journey, travels in a straight line from A to C. So it does the fast route, as it were. Okay, so the ferry's going the long way round on the red route, and the speedboat is doing the fast route from A to C. How many kilometres does the ferry travel than the speedboat? You're going to measure in kilometres the distance from A to B, then the distance from B to C, and that will give you a total distance for the ferry. And then you're going to measure the distance from A to C directly, and that will give you the distance of the ferry. And then to work out how many more, you will take those two answers away. Have a go.